In this video, we're going to define molar mass, and we're going to talk about how to use a periodic table to determine the molar mass. So just a reminder, you know how to get the atomic mass of one atom. So you would take the number of protons and the number of neutrons and sum them up. So if we had aluminum with 13 protons, 13 neutrons, add those up, that would give me 26. If I have an isotope of that first atom, it would have 13 protons, 14 neutrons, and that gives me an atomic mass of 27. So we already talked about the fact that these atomic mass units, one atom is very, 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 very small. So the scale that we generally work on is the molar scale, and we want to know how much does 1 mole of an element weigh, or what is its mass? Those are same question. And it's really easy to tell. If you want to get the mass of 1 mole, all you need to do is look at the periodic table. This number right here, this is called the molar mass. So that is our molar mass. Now that's just like it sounds like molar. It's the molar mass. It's the mass of 1 mole. The mass of 1 mole. Also can be written as the mass or the number of moles, where the number of moles equals 1. So aluminum has a molar mass of 26.982 grams per mole. Knowing that this is its mass of these two isotopes, we have aluminum with atomic mass of 26, aluminum with an atomic mass of 27. Which one is it closer to? So which isotope is there more of? The 27 or the 26? It's kind of a common sensey type thing. You're like, ooh, it's much closer to the 27 mark. So I would assume that I have lots more of this isotope than that isotope. If there were lots of the 26, the molar mass would be much closer to the 26 value. So there's definitely more of the aluminum with atomic mass of 27. Okay, so today is all about the molar mass. I just wanted to remind you, where does the mass come from? We zoom way in, think about the atomic mass of 1 atom. We have isotopes, and when we average those out, we get the molar mass, because we're looking at 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd of that element. Okay, so let's have you do a couple. If I said, what is the molar mass of iron? You'd say the molar mass of iron is 55.845. I just zoomed way in on that. Grams per mole. Grams per 1 mole. If I said, how much does 1 mole of that weigh? What is the mass of it? You'd say, so 1 mole, the mass is 55.845 grams. What is the molar mass of cobalt? The molar mass of cobalt is 58.933 grams per 1 mole of cobalt. That's how many grams there are in 1 mole. How about, what is the atomic mass of copper? And you're like, Michelle, I'm getting bored. 63.546 grams. That's the molar mass. This is the molar mass. Or I could say, how much does 1 mole weigh? And you'd say 63.546 grams. That is molar mass in a nutshell. You just look up the element, find the mass of it, and that is the number of grams there are in 1 mole.